we will learn unique ways to wish Eid. Eid Mubarak. May your heart be filled with joy. Warm wishes for a wonderful Eid celebration. May your Eid be full of smiles and blessings. Eid bring new hope and success for you. May Allah bless you with health, wealth, and endless joy this Eid. Have a blessed Eid. May Allah shower His mercy and countless blessings on you. Wishing you smiles, laughter, and happiness on this special Eid day. Have a blessed Eid with your family and loved ones. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.